Hello students, in this lecture we are going to study about addition of dihydric alcohols with ketones. So let's see, general formula of ketone is RCOR. This is the general formula of ketone. So this is the ketone when treated with dihydric alcohol like ethylene glycol. So ethylene glycol. What is the formula of ethylene glycol? So two carbon containing dihydric alcohol, and to each carbon atom one OH group is attached. So two OH groups attached to the two carbon atoms. The name of this compound is ethylene glycol, or its IUPAC name is 2 carbon containing alkane derivative ethane, and at position 1 and 2 two OH groups are attached, so ethane 1,2 diol. When the reaction takes place, so this reaction is a reversible reaction. In presence of dry hydrogen chloride gas, it is proceed forward, and in presence of aqueous HCl, means dilute hydrochloric acid, it takes place backward or reverse position. So what we get the product? See, the removal of H2O takes place. So the bond breaks in between this oxygen, hydrogen and carbon and oxygen. So removal of water molecule takes place, and the 2 valency of this carbon is bonded with these 2 oxygen. So finally we get the product RCR as it is, no any change here. So this double bond is converted into single bond, and we get the cyclic product. This one bond of carbon bonded with this CH2, further it is bonded with other CH2, and which is bonded through the oxygen to the carbon. The name of this compound is cyclic kettle. So we get a cyclic kettle when ketone is treated with dihydric alcohol like ethane 1,2 diol or ethylene glycol. So when any ketone treated with ethylene glycol, we get its corresponding cyclic kettle. Now this is the reversible reaction. In presence of hydrochloric acid, the reaction takes place reversible, and in presence of dry HCl, means hydrogen chloride gas, it proceed forward with removal of H2O. So byproduct is H2O. Now if we take one more example of this compound, when this is 1,2 diol, if we take a 1,3 triol, 1,3 diol with the ketone. So second example of addition reaction with ketone is when any ketone, so ketone general formula RCOR, any ketone when treated with 1,3 diol. So if we take the example of propane 1,3 diol. So what is the formula of 1,3 diol? See, 3 carbon containing alkane derivative, and to the first carbon atom attached to the OH group, and to the third carbon atom which is again attached to the other OH group, remaining valency completed by hydrogen. So we get its correct formula is nothing but propane 1,3 diol. So any ketone treated with 1,3 diol, so ketone treated with 1,3 diol, we get a reversible reaction. The forward reaction takes place in presence of dry HCl, means hydrogen chloride gas, and the reversible reaction takes place in presence of dilute HCl, means aqueous HCl, hydrochloric acid. Same reaction takes place, so removal of H2O molecule takes place, and the remaining part of this diol is bonded with this carbon through this oxygen, and finally we get the product here RCr as it is. Now to this carbon, this oxygen bonded through CH2 with oxygen, and this is finally bonded with carbon. So this is propane 1,2,3,1,3 diol combined with ketone. We get finally cyclic kettle. So cyclic kettle is formed when this cyclic kettle treated with dilute hydrochloric acid. Then this cyclic kettle, when treated with dilute hydrochloric acid, again we get reversible product of this reaction is nothing but ketone. So ketones are again regenerated when this cyclic kettle is treated with dilute HCl. Now one more example is there. If we take example of aromatic compound of the ketone, if Br is bonded to this benzene ring, and which is further bonded to doubly bonded O and here CH3. So the bond line formula of this compound is given in your textbook, and on the arrow OH CH2OH is written, and in presence of dry magnesium ether. So magnesium in dry ether is given as a catalyst. Then what is the product? So we can write this is the bond line formula. So this bond line formula first will convert in the structural formula. So this Br attached to this aromatic ring, and to this aromatic ring the C double bond O group is attached, and to this carbon CH3 group is attached. So this is the ketone. When it undergoes addition reaction with ethylene glycol, we can write this ethylene glycol in this form. So CH2H bonded to CH2OH. Now the replacement takes place. So removal of water takes place. Here also in this reaction removal of water is there. So we must write the balanced equation. Now when the reaction takes place, we get, in presence of dry HCl, we get the forward reaction. So finally it gives, so replacement of H2O takes place. This oxygen is removed with these two hydrogen, and this oxygen bonded to this carbon. So finally we get the product. What do we get the product? See, this Br bonded to this aromatic ring as it is, there is no any change. Now to this carbon, this double bond is converted into single bond, and this bonded through oxygen CH2CH2O. So like this way we get the product of, final product is nothing but a cyclic kettle. So corresponding cyclic kettle is formed from the given compound. So this is about the reaction with the aromatic ketone when combined with diol ethylene glycol or ethane 1,2-diol. It gives its corresponding cyclic kettle. So C double bond O group is converted into this is cyclic or ring compound, and generally this compound is called as a cyclic ketone. So we get the cyclic ketone of the corresponding ketone.